Gloria. Welcome back to Tinker Wonderland. So I am here. We are here by Walmart. Walmart right there, parking lot. And I just want to share with you guys. If you see that tree, that tree fall because of the strong wind the other day, last Wednesday. And that building is Dollar Tree building, and their sign also fell. It's right there. So they put some sign there now, so people will try to so people can avoid it. So yeah, that is the Dollar Tree sign. It's a very long sign, guys. It's like that. Where is my arm? It's like that American sign right there. That's how big it is, but it fell during the strong wind last Wednesday. And even when the signage where I work, it's all broken. So that's how strong is the wind. Look at that tree, guys. It's an old tree already, but yeah, can you imagine how strong is the wind that time? The tree fell because of it. So yeah, but I'm glad that nobody got hurt. And it's been snowing. Oh no, not snowing. It's so cold here in our place right now. Winter is coming now. So there you go. Just wanna share with you very quick, guys, some damage. We also have some damage here in our place, just like that. So again, that is the Dollar Tree sign here in our place. And I'm not sure if there's other place that has damage, because I don't stroll around the place yet. But yeah. So again, so everyone, I heard there's a typhoon somewhere else. I hope everybody is safe. No one get hurt. No one. And yeah, just be safe, guys. We're also taking care. We're also trying to be safe here. So there you go. And that's all for now, guys. Thank you all for watching. Have a good day and a good night. God bless everyone. See you on the next vlog.